In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to CC in Yahoo Mail. If you've ever wanted to include someone in an email for visibility without making them the main recipient, CC is the perfect tool. It stands for carbon copy, and it lets others see the message and who else received it. Here's how to do it clearly and quickly. First, open your web browser and search for Yahoo Mail. This is the simplest way to get to the sign-in page if you don't already have it bookmarked. In the search results, click the first official Yahoo Mail link to head straight to your inbox. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your Yahoo account. Follow any prompts you see, including verification if it's requested. Once you're in, you should be in the new Yahoo Mail view, which has a clean layout and a toolbar on the left. To start a new message, click the Compose button in the top left corner. A new email window will open on the right side of the screen. You'll see the To field at the top, where you normally add your main recipient. To add a CC, look to the far right of the To field and click the link that says CC BCC. As soon as you click it, new fields will appear below To. You'll now see a CC field. Type the email addresses of anyone you want to copy into that CC field. If you're adding more than one, separate them with commas or press Enter after each one. A quick note on etiquette. People added to CC can see all the other recipients, and they're usually there for awareness rather than action. If you want to hide addresses, there's also a BCC option in the same area, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on CC. Before you send, fill out the rest of your email as you normally would. Add your primary recipient in the To field, type a clear subject line, and write your message in the body. If you need to attach a file, use the attachment icon in the Compose window. Give everything a quick review to make sure names, spelling, and addresses are correct, especially in CC, since everyone on the thread will see those. When you're ready, click the blue Send button at the bottom of the Compose window. Your email will go out to the main recipient and to everyone listed in CC. That's it. You've successfully used CC in Yahoo Mail. Keep this process in mind whenever you want to keep others informed without making them the primary contact.